I hear this question sometimes, and that is, why is alfalfa so expensive? Well, number one being alfalfa is a higher management crop than grass. There's a little bit more that goes into alfalfa. Alfalfa can be a pretty picky crop when it comes to things like weeds. It does take a lot of nutrients, specifically potassium. Now, all crops require a lot of potassium, but alfalfa is a legume, which is one of those that requires a lot of potassium and phosphorus, so P and K, they require a lot of that. So there's a lot that goes into the input side of alfalfa. If you're trying to make high yielding, high quality alfalfa, the seed is expensive. But the other reason why alfalfa can be so expensive is because it's a very tedious crop to make. Grass is one of those things where you can just cut it and you can honestly just let it dry in a windrow and it will get there. Or you can ted it as many times as you want and you'll get it dry, and it can retain a lot of color, and it's not a very brittle crop. The problem with alfalfa is it's a really brittle crop. As you can see right here, see all of this, all that dust? That's alfalfa leaf. This is a bale of fourth cutting alfalfa. It's actually really nice alfalfa. This is a $9 bale. If this was a grass bale, it would be like 7 or 8 or maybe even less. But you can see all of the leaf in here. There's a lot of leaf in here, which is the big thing when it comes to alfalfa. The bale I have next to it, you can see how it's a lot stemmier. That's because a lot of the leaf had shattered off of the plant, and that reduces the quality and the price of the alfalfa by a large margin. So the reason that alfalfa can be really expensive is because when quality alfalfa like this is made, it normally requires a lot of patience, very just tedious work, and more labor basically. So more labor and more inputs turn out to mean higher price bales.